In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clear, organized visual board in Chrome and prepare it for sharing. We'll go through the full process from setup to final review, so by the end, you'll have a board that looks structured, communicates your ideas clearly, and is easy for other people to follow. Start by opening Chrome and creating a new board. This gives you a blank workspace to build on, and it's always a good idea to begin with a fresh board when you want your content to feel clean and intentional. Once the board opens, take a moment to look over the canvas and get familiar with the available space. A little orientation at the beginning can save time later and help you avoid placing things too close together. Next, set up distinct frames for your main topics. Frames are useful because they visually separate sections of your board and make the information much easier to understand at a glance. Think of each frame as its own focused area with one main idea or category inside it. As you place the frames, give yourself enough room between them so the board doesn't feel crowded. A neat layout makes it easier to present and easier for viewers to follow your thinking from one topic to the next. After that, add color-coded elements and connect flow paths. Color coding helps people quickly recognize related ideas, priorities, or categories, so try to stay consistent with how you use each color throughout the board. For example, one color might represent a certain type of information, while another color highlights supporting details. The key is to keep the color system simple and readable. Once your elements are in place, connect them with flow paths to show direction and relationships. This is especially helpful when you want to guide viewers through a sequence, a process, or a decision path. Make sure the connections are visually clear and don't overlap too heavily, since clutter can make the board harder to understand. Before you share the board, test the navigation flow in presentation mode. This is an important final check because it lets you experience the board the way your audience will. Move through the frames and connected sections in order and pay attention to whether the sequence feels smooth and logical. If anything seems confusing or out of place, adjust it before sending the board to others. A quick review in presentation mode can make a big difference in how polished and professional your final result feels. Once everything looks good and flows naturally, your board is ready to share.